The National Panhandling Council basically organized this within literally an hour. They set up a table and had everybody come and volunteer and donate either canned goods, clothing, or any monetary items. And the MPHC collectively as a whole donated $200. We're buying goods and anything that they really need.
They're bringing a lot of different toiletries. Like right now we have toothbrushes, a lot of toothpaste, deodorants, there's medicines in here. There's lots of dry foods like bread, tons of clothes, good quality clothing too, which is really great. And also people have made monetary donations, which is always helpful because whatever exactly needs to be, bought can be bought that way.